Here's the thing, I've been doing a lot of thinking, and I love your old bones.
How am I supposed to respond to that?
Well, how about saying you love me too?
Or, how about I'm leaving?
Come on, baby, you know I can't resist that toothy grin of yours.
I'm sorry, Tommy. I know it's Halloween, and I know you're feeling lonely, but you just can't show up here, tell me you love me, and expect that to make everything alright. It doesn't work like that.
Well, how about this way? I love it that you get cold when it's 101 degrees outside. I love that it takes you a half an hour to crawl out of your grave in the morning. I love how you murdered that family of dolphins last year in Bermuda. And I love the way I can still smell the stink of decay on my corpse after spending the day with you. And it's not because it's Halloween. I'm back here tonight because once you realize you want to spend the rest of your death with somebody, you want that death to start as soon as possible.
You see, that is just like you, Tommy. You say things like that, and you make it impossible for me to kill you. And I really want to kill you, Tommy.
I've got you under my skin. Hey, pal, shut up. Can't you tell that's offensive? Read the room. Oops, sorry, sir. My apologies. I've got you under my bones.
Well, it's good to see that these two have gotten back together. It only took them all month. I think a toast is in order. I think we're going to go nautical gin this time for our victory shot. I love that gin. Today's drink is perfect for a night on the prowl. This week's drink is the Howling Moon. Did you guys hear something? It's probably just the old plumbing. Yeah, I'm sure. That's what it was. I'm going to use the juice from 1 wedge of lemon. A ½ ounce of blue Curacao. ½ ounce of any raspberry liqueur, but we're using Chambord. Two ounces of a floral gin. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. That'll be perfect for this drink. And that's a Howling Moon. Today's word of wisdom is phantasmagoria. A phantasmagoria is a sensory bouquet of unexplainable paranormal happenings, unprovoked flashings, noises from the other room, misplaced bar spoons hidden in obvious places. But like most paranormal incidences, phantasmagoria can often be explained away. So the next time that things go bump in the night, or something dear turns up missing, turn to your bar or your liquor cabinet and recall how much you drank the night before. You might find the culprit is under your skin.